Boom. Welcome back, guys. Today we got an unboxing of the DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. Let me make sure that focuses in right there for you guys. The Fly More combo. Boom. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open and get right to the video. So I went and picked this up from Best Buy. Today we got a wine opener, cork opener. So I went and picked this up from Best Buy. Here's the front and back of it. Basically, like, it's a mini Mavic now, man, and it's like a mini Mavic, and I'm pretty excited to get into this. I actually want to turn the light on. Let me see. It might be a little too dark. Is it? We'll see. Just let me know how I look in the comments, guys. I'm gonna, mess with it a little bit more. We'll see how that works for us. But yeah, I'm gonna turn the light on. Let's see how that looks. Okay, that might be better. Okay, light on. So we got the light on. Boom. So Mini 2, DJI Mini 2, 249 grams. So that means we don't need to be a registered FAA licensed pilots or anything like that. But just in case you guys didn't know, I am licensed, and I can fly drones and under contract or whatever, you know what I mean. I got it way back in like 2017, 18, when drones was like becoming like a big thing and all the rage. So yeah, we legit, too legit to quit. Let's go ahead and crack that open. There we go. Yeah. Okay, boom. Move that down right there, put that up there. Move that. We went to pick this up from Best Buy yesterday. Today's February 1st of the recording of this video, and we're back into the unboxings. I got something else coming up soon. 2 unboxings coming up soon. This one will probably go up since it's Monday the 1st. I'll probably put this up Wednesday or Thursday, one of those 2 days. But let's get right into it. So I got the Fly More combo. It came with this cool bag, travel bag. I probably won't use this. I want to throw it in the backpack. It's pretty cool, feels good. DJI symbol right there. Little carrying side right here if I don't want to have the straps. Let's crack into this side. I believe it was supposed to come with like 3 batteries and a couple of different things like that. So let's crack into it. Gonna whip it around. That way, all right. Everything seems nice and stuffed in here, though. Definitely seems nice and stuffed. All right, so boom, we got our controller. Got some nice heft to it, as you can see. And it's on probably 75% battery. Some accessories. All right. So this is some instruction information. These are the accessories that came in the Fly More combo kit. And then what we were waiting on, the drone itself right here. So boom. I wanted this one in particular because I needed something small to put in my backpack, but I didn't want the Mavic. I was gonna wait till the next refresh of that one. But I wanted something that still shot 4K, and I was looking on YouTube at different 4K video clips and different things like that, and this is the best thing you can get right now that's small and shoots great 4K video. So boom, let's pop out these accessories. Okay. USB-C, I'm assuming everything in here is USB-C, and that should be it. All right, so that's all the accessories. Pop that up there, put that up there in the corner. All right, so let's pop open the booklet just to see what's in here first. I'll slip this open so we can see what's going on. All right, let's see. All right, boom. Open up. Quick start guide. 2-way charging hub. Okay, 2-way charging hub. That's pretty cool. And that's about it. The controller. So I'll keep this out because we're gonna need that. And the future is the future of possible. So where the fuck that is. All right. So boom. Pop this open. Ugh. We got 2 batteries. It came with 2 batteries, and I believe it's 1 in here already. Yeah, it should be 1 in here already. So we have 3 extra batteries. And you charge all 3 simultaneously. Let's unravel this. controller. I was really excited about how the controller looks. So I was like, oh yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, it has more of a game style look. And I know the little dials, the analog sticks, they screw in. I believe they're somewhere. Let's see. I'm gonna have to open that. Opens up right there. That's for the phone. And then one of these are for the analog sticks. Let's open up and see. So step 1, download DJI Fly app. Step 2, charge. Step 3, open up wings. Step 4, pull those out. Boom bop. And where are the sticks though? I don't see the sticks. Oh, there they go. Ha! They right here at the bottom. I was looking for them. So one goes right here. Go ahead, screw that in. Yeah, there it goes. And the other one goes right there. Screw that one in. Oh yeah, we in business now. Yeah, we about to be flying, take pictures and record with this button right here. You know, everything goes programmable. So that's pretty cool. I believe this is cinema, normal, and then sport. That should be about it. I don't think there's nothing else to it. Power button. Press once to check the battery. Yeah, that's about it. I believe this is all charging information, well, charger and stuff like that. So I guess it was a quick unboxing. Pretty cool though. I'm very excited. If you want to see how it is in the palm of my hand, it literally fits in the palm of my hand, enclosed. And then if you had to imagine if it was opened, it would be doing the same thing in the palm of my hand. Just the wings would be out. Let's see here. Please use the propeller holder to protect the propellers when storing. Okay, so this is the propeller holder. Let's see how we take this off. Please remove this gimbal protector before taking off. So let's remove some tape. Let's see how this thing is looking. Alright, they want us to use that. Alright, so how do we take the propeller thing off? Okay, I think it just snapped. Okay, so it just snaps off. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. You can just fold it, put it back on there. And then I believe we just bop that right there and bop that one right there. And then you pull, I think we just pull. Oh, the tape still on this one, hold on. That's what's holding us up. Get the tape off. Come on, come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah. And I believe it goes these off first, then this. Let me put them back down. Boom. Boom. Now we're in business. Please charge the active battery before using for the first time. And let's charge this battery first too. So I'm gonna upload some flight test videos once we get everything going. I gotta get a micro SD card for this at some point. But I really bought this we're gonna get some videos going pretty soon once everything's said and done. So now we have 3 batteries, so our flight time really is like an hour if we want to be technical. I'm gonna get all these charged up and I'll check you guys back in a minute. Let me clean this area up so you can see the Mini 2 and all of its greatness by itself. Let me move all the stuff over to the side. Boom, 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 boom. So here we go. This is what you're getting out the box. The DJI Mavic 2 in all of its glory. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. Yeah, that's gonna be, yeah, this might be the thumbnail picture. I'm gonna see about that. But all right guys, I'm gonna catch you guys back in the next video. Peace.